baby, B baby. C is for candy, candy, C candy. D is for diamond, diamond, D diamond. E is for egg, egg, E egg. F is for fish, fish, F fish. G is for grapes, grapes, G grapes. H is for hand, hand, H hand. I is for ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. J is for juice, juice, J juice. K is for key, key, K key. L is for lion, lion, a lion. M is for moon, moon, M moon. N is for nest, nest, N nest. O is for octopus, octopus, O octopus. P is for pig, pig, P pig. Q is for queen, queen, Q queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow, a rainbow. S is for sun, sun, S sun. T is for turtle, turtle, T turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella, U umbrella. V is for violin, V violin. W is for whale, whale, W whale. X is for xylophone, X xylophone, X xylophone. Y is for yacht, yacht, Y yacht. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Red, it's the color of a rose, it's the color of my clown's funny nose. Red is apples and strawberries too. Red is love, a heart that's true. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Blue, blue, it's the color of the sky, it's the color of my kite flying high. Blue is the ocean and blueberry sweet. Blue is the blanket when I sleep. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Yellow, yellow is the sun so bright, it's the color of the stars at night. Yellow is lemons and daffodils in spring. Yellow is the joy that colors bring. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Green, green, it's the grass so tall, it's the color of the leaves in fall. Green is the peas and the frogs by the stream. Green is the forest where we dream. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Purple, purple, it's the grapes we eat, it's the color of my comfy seat. Purple is violets and lavender fields. Purple is the magic that heals. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. Mix them up, see what you find. Colors make the world so kind. Rainbows, rainbows in the sky. Colors make us smile and sigh. Colors, colors all around, so many colors to be found. Look and see, what's the hue? Come along and sing with me too. A is for apple, shiny and sweet. B is for ball, bouncing at your feet. C is for cat, with a purr so fine. D is for dog, who's a friend of mine. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for frog, hopping on the land. G is for guitar, strum and play. H is for hippo in the river all day. I is for ice cream, a tasty treat. J is for jelly, so wobbly and neat. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar, oh my. M is for monkey swinging in the trees. N is for nest with birds and bees. O is for octopus in sea so deep. P is for penguin, waddle and peep. Q is for queen with a royal crown. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for star, twinkling bright at night. T is for train, chugging out of sight. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin, I loved to play. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, make music for you. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with black and white clothes. Now we've sung the ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Wow!
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling at your feet. C is for cat, who purrs so loud. D is for dog, who's always proud. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, who swims along. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hippo with heavy feet. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. E is for ice cream, cold and cool. J is for jelly, jiggly in the pool. K is for kangaroo, hopping high. L is for lion with a roar and a sigh. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with little birds to please. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, what in delight. Q is for queen with a royal crown. R is for rainbow, shining all around. S is for sun, so big and bright. T is for tiger with stripes of light. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin with music in the sky. W is for whale in the ocean blue. X is for xylophone, playing for you. Y is for yo-yo, spinning all around. Z is for zebra, with stripes so profound. Now we've learned our ABCs, singing letters with joy and ease. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. A, B, C, now you know. Come back again and let's go slow. We'll sing and dance, doo-doo-doo. Learning is fun with me and you. A, B, C, now you know. Come back again and let's go slow.